it's time to make the original OG. That's what I'm gonna call this. Alright guys, you're gonna need some Sulfur 8. You already know I can't live without Sulfur 8. It is the star player, the originator. Alrighty, so we're just gonna scoop out the entire Sulfur 8 hair grease there, and you guys already know I love it. It smells like medicated grease, to which it is. Next, triple strength, guys. This what started it all, y'all. You cannot make the original OG. That's what I'm gonna call it. You can't make this without the triple strength. Triple strength play a big part in this. Why? Because Doo Gro make other greases, but the triple strength is what's going to get the job done, and that's what I originally made about a year or two ago. A year ago. Let me stop playing. It's been a year. And this is the original formula that I made, guys. The one that has 1 million views. So hey. All right. So the virgin hair fertilizer. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. The original video that I made, I used the entire tube, but this time I'm only going to use half, even though I'm making this batch for you all. Again, you can purchase this at my Etsy shop. Link is down below in the description box. I'm simply going to use half of this container. This is why I did not melt it, because when I melt the container, well, the tube, it's too much. So anyway, wild hair growth oil, y'all. Love it. Again, it still stinks, but it gets the job done. So I'm going to pour a little bit of that as well. And guess what? I finally got some mango butter, guys. Yes, I went out and purchased a gigantic tube, to which you see there, of mango butter. Why? Because it's the benefits of mango butter is out of this world. If you guys want to see the mango blah blah blah, you know what? Why am I getting tongue twisted all of a sudden? Ew. Anyway, if you guys want to read about the benefits of mango butter, I'm going to list that down below for you as well. But if you have watched my video, which I'm going to include down in the description box as well, I had some mango butter laying around, and I melted it down and added to my mix. And child, honey. Yeah, it definitely helped. It definitely made my mixture like awesome. Even though it's optional, but mango butter played a very major big role, and I just cannot make this mixture without it. Next, of course, is the Jamaican black castor oil. Yes, this is a gigantic bottle here, but you're going to only need maybe like an ounce or two, to be honest with you all. But I have a big container because I'm going to continue to make this grease for you guys. And again, thank you all who have been supporting me. I have read the reviews on my Etsy shop, and I literally cried because, guys, y'all know a big bag of water, and I cried, and I'm like, oh my God, they are so sweet. Thanks, everybody. I really appreciate it. And again, I am making this for you. Now, one of my viewers love when I mix, so I'm going to slow down this is just regular time of me mixing this mixture here. So if you're watching, hon, this is for you. I'm literally mixing this for you. Well, not mixing it for you, but I'm actually just showing the regular time of me mixing it, because I don't know, I guess I'm weird too, just like you all, and I love watching some videos where people are making stuff and mixing stuff, so I understand how you feel. So this is for you, boo. Go ahead and watch me mix. Alrighty. So, yeah, just keep watching. Alrighty, so my mixture is to my to the consistency that I like, I'm going to go and grab my mango butter that I melted down. And of course, I'm going to pour the mango, blah, blah, blah. What is going on? Okay. The melted mango butter, I'm going to add that to my mix. And now you see why I am calling it liquid gold, because look at it slushing around in that bowl. Bars. Hey, that was bars for real. Anyway, so now I'm going to add some tea tree. And also I'm going to add some peppermint. The reason why I'm adding essential oils this time, simply because tea tree, blah, blah. Whoa, guys, I swear to you guys, I was not having this trouble of talking earlier, but now I want to do a voiceover. I can't talk. Anyway, so, the benefits of tea tree oil and peppermint essential oils are literally phenomenal for the hair. So I decided to add this into the mixture. Also, too, to help with the smell that I just did. Y'all see that. You see me smelling it. So yeah, it's definitely smelled like peppermint. But guys, look at this liquid gold. Like, look at it. Like, watch. Ooh, you see that? Do you see that? Yes. Okay, my bad. That was a clunk of mango butter right there. But you know what? Hey, y'all be all right. Anyway, go ahead and check it out at my Etsy shop. Again, this is the originator, the OG hair grease. Thank you all so much for watching, and I love you all. Bye.